How y'all doing today? Welcome to another episode of Country Fixing. In case y'all wondering what we're doing, we're gonna take the old bow. We're gonna see what she'd do to a refrigerator. So, without further ado, let's get started on this. So I guess y'all could say it'd be bow versus refrigerator. So, I think I'll get y'all a little bit closer so y'all can see what goes on. If I can get this here tripod to work a little bit. It's a little shaky. Should have had it prepped up, but I didn't. We're gonna try to hit it on them there target marks that I made. See how it works. Here we go. We'll go for the freezer first. I think that one may have broke the arrow. See in a minute. Well, y'all, I'd say it'd go through the door. So if I was y'all, and y'all was trying to keep from getting shot by error, I wouldn't hide behind the refrigerator door. Let's see what the inside looks like. This is the freezer part. This is the old freezer that we had at the house in the garage. Quit working, so yeah. Let's see what the inside looks like. Huh. See if y'all can see this. Had coffee, it started stinking, so I had coffee and baking soda in it, trying to make it smell better. And I don't know if y'all see all that. It went all the way up into the back of it, and it broke right there. I'll see what the bottom looks like, because it broke this area right here, and it broke that one right there. So sacrifice has got to be made. And it went in there. And it went all the way in to wherever that goes. And then it went through the door right there. See nothing crazy back here? We try shooting it from the back and see how that does. What y'all think about that? That good? Aim right there at that little circle, see what it does. I'm just guessing, but that probably broke too. Huh. Oh yeah. She flexible. How's it doing that? I don't know. We're gonna see if it went through the other side. Oh yeah. Have no idea how this happened, but it broke, but it still went through. See up in there? Came through right up in there. Yeah, right there. So yeah, I'd say if you got a bow, mine's turned up to about probably 75, draw weight 75. So I'd say if somebody was hiding behind the refrigerator, or anything was behind the refrigerator I wanted to see, the refrigerator door I wanted to see or hit, I'd say I could get it with my bow. But thank y'all for tuning in to another episode of Country Fixing. Hope this got y'all some type of excitement for today, or maybe just gave you something to look at for a few minutes. Y'all have a great day, a great weekend, and thanks for tuning in.